I'll tell you who the Huskies could have used last night, talking basketball now, in their loss to Stanford, a game where the Huskies scored just 13 points in the whole second half and got little to no help in the post. They could have used Andre Drummond. He'd be a junior at UConn right now instead of a second-year player in the NBA. His Detroit Pistons beat the Celtics in Boston last night, and Drummond, a big reason for it. He's averaging over 13 points a game, almost 13 rebounds a game. A 20-year-old right now playing like an all-star.
No, I mean, I work hard at this game. I put the effort and energy in, so the results have started to show, and I know that I have a lot more work to do to become a great player. This is just a sign of what I could be.
Well, we will have more on Drummond coming up next week on our Sports Edge show. So not this week, but next week. Andre Drummond really having a tremendous season in the NBA. Another former Husky is doing well in the NBA. We're talking about